The last time I left you during my garden adventures, I was trying to clean my AeroGarden, try the new grow pots, only to find out that the grow pots that I have bought were not the same as the previous one. And I left you with trying to figure out how to make use of them. And on this video, I am going to show you how I made it work and what happens afterwards. Okay, so here's the thing. I tried using the old ones and added the new ones, and they did fit, but they were a little bit too small. So once I figured I could probably add them in there, I was just going to wait and see how big they got after they absorb some water. And some of them still fell through. I picked them up, and then what I did was I stuck my fingers underneath and I pushed them up, and that seemed to hold them up and hold them together, so that worked. Now on this video, I am just going to show you a timeline of what happened after March 25th and how they grew. I hope you like this video. Okay, so as another thing that I want to show, it's what happens after they absorb the water on the 25th of March. But because I am a mom and a busy mom, I didn't add the seeds until the next day. And I was concerned that they were drying up a little bit, so I sprayed some water and then I started adding seeds. After I finished planting my seeds, I added some liquid plant food from AeroGarden. I didn't measure at all. I just added. pots were not as successful as the newer ones. As you can see here, I also have to replace some seeds, and I will continue to show on later videos how this garden is doing. Thank you for watching.